Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files on SharePoint in just a few simple steps. I'll be showing you this on the web version. First, open your browser and navigate to the SharePoint site where the file was deleted. Once you're on the site homepage, look up to the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. From the menu that appears, select Site Contents. This will open a new page showing all the site contents. On the Site Contents page, look for the Recycle Bin link in the top right portion of the page and click it. The Recycle Bin will load up, and you'll see all your deleted files listed with details like when they were deleted, who deleted them, and where they were originally stored. Now find the file you want to restore. On the left side of each item, there's a checkbox. Click the checkbox next to the file or files you want to recover. The checkbox will become checked, and the item will highlight. You can select multiple files at once if you need to restore more than one. Once you've selected your files, click the Restore button at the top of the page in the command bar. You'll see a quick confirmation message indicating the item has been restored. To verify it worked, navigate back to the original location where the file was stored, the document library or folder it came from. The file should now be back in place with all its metadata and version history intact. If you didn't see your file in that first stage recycle bin, there's a second stage recycle bin. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the recycle bin page. At the bottom, you'll see a link labeled Second Stage Recycle Bin. Click that link. This is where files go when they're deleted from the first stage recycle bin, and only site owners or SharePoint administrators can access it. The second stage recycle bin looks and works exactly the same way. Click the checkbox next to your file, then click the Restore button at the top. The file will restore back to its original location. When you restore files from either recycle bin, SharePoint brings them back with all their original metadata and version history preserved. If you're restoring multiple files, you can select them all at once and restore them in one go. One important thing to know: SharePoint keeps deleted files for 93 days from when they were originally deleted. After that, they're permanently removed. If the original folder your file was in no longer exists because it was also deleted, SharePoint will automatically recreate that folder structure and put the file back where it belongs. And that's how to recover deleted files on SharePoint. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.